somewhere Eden sansar la leiki weramwe isoche icharki achalemda kaselen kuwe ay mundo chana chana niye mundo sanye loco loca pal ne la la le iko piwe oni ne le liba kongu kaselen kuwe ay mundo chana chana niye mundo sanye oh oh we so again my no get say making kele piki niyon la meta kan wesel sang ye igil logolo la loiki werumwe pues otra casipe home es el sangre casele kuwe ay mundo chana chana niye mundo sangre loco loca por me la la le y copy we oni me le
Kalanganan ko parang koros magandang kapkapay ko sa mga V6AH Radio ng Pohnpei. Maging Kadkadaur ito ng Wilson, Galanyag ko sa Pwuhng at Pohnpei State FSM. Magandang ipisip ko Luis Palalang Clock to Women sa mga V6AH Radio ng Pohnpei. Kaya may ko pwede ba niya siya ba na sa mga Pohnpei sa mga kusinit kay siya kayo Ranwat, ako magiging kuburang pagkakap sa mga nandiyan siya mo kapsiruwi siyang pagkakakan makakupunan ng sasalang kuburang. Kaya yung pagkakakan siyang Pohnpei Legislature, sa kalitat ang kuburang wala ko ng Pohnpei, sa kalitat wala tayo po sa kalitat ko, mapunin ko siya na din wait po ko ng Pohnpei kay siya kayo, dahil siya lang na narantungan siya na Troro Kababa, the 4th special session, Ranwat niya, Chula is Limabari, Risak Bayi, Pulakisak, tanong na siyang ng Chamber and Legislature ng Kolonya, o Chibanawat, Rijita o Waibagon. Kaya kang magkako, kuburki yang marangi utian Chibanawat, kung nantiyong mararata o katsla patula ang tuwada. Yung burwat, lagisip, monsi wasim ranwat. Kalangan kubur kodas. Karyawan patayan kan siyang Pohnpei Port Authority. Vacancy announcement, Pohnpei Port Authority, a public corporation of the Pohnpei State Government, is now accepting application for the position of aircraft rescue and firefighter, also known as ARF. Salary is grade 6, $13,808 per annum, COLA included. Location Pohnpei Port Authority, Kadkadaur and Pohnpei State. Closing date is July 19, 2024. Summary: aircraft rescue and firefighter, also known as ARF, are the frontline responders who handle various emergency situations at airports. They are trained to combat aircraft fires, perform rescues, and provide emergency medical assistance and control hazardous material incidents. Our works in teams and follows established protocols to ensure the safety of passengers, crew, and airport personnel. Essential duties include the following. Other duties may be assigned. Number 1, regularly participates in classes, training programs, and airport emergency drills, and otherwise develops and maintains skills and abilities to apply advanced methods and techniques of rescue and firefighting involving aircraft crashes, structural fires, and fires of unusual hazards. Number 2, develops and maintains advanced skills in first aid and cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and applies the associated skills to persons needing such emergency treatments accordingly. And number 3, drives and operates aircraft rescue and firefighting trucks and comparable vehicles in standby readiness for aircraft arrivals and departures. Otherwise, drives fires and rescue vehicles to scenes of crashes and or fires following a predetermined route, or selecting an alternative route when necessary. Positions vehicles considering factors such as wind direction, hazards, and or location of aircraft. And number 4, controls and extinguishes fires using a variety of hand tools, hydraulic tools, portable fire extinguishers, and other firefighting equipment, clamps, standard and aerial ladders, lifting and carrying people and equipment for rescue and salvage, enters crashed and or built aircraft, or free or rescue passengers and crew members as required. Otherwise, operates apparatus to make forced entries, ventilate structures, and to perform or assist in rescue operations, including the administration of first aid to injured victims and performing salvage and overall operations. 5. Participates in regular training programs to maintain their skills and stay updated on the latest firefighting techniques, equipment and safety protocols. Conduct drills and exercises to enhance their response capabilities and ensure preparedness for various emergency scenarios. Assist in conducting safety inspections, evaluating airport infrastructure, and identifying importance of fire hazards. And number 6, engage in public education initiatives to promote safety awareness among airport personnel, passengers, and the local communities, and may conduct fire safety preparation or presentation, distribute educational materials, and participate in community outreach events to educate individuals on fire prevention, evacuation procedures, and general safety practices. And 7, ensures that all emergency vehicles and equipment are cleaned and in ready mode at all times. Last but not least, performs other duties assigned by ARF Chief or Shift Supervisor. Responsibilities. This position has no direct supervisory role. Qualification to perform this job successfully: an individual must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily, and the requirements listed below are representative of the knowledge, skill, and or ability required. And this position requires day and night shifts. Minimum education and experience: AA degree or equivalent from a 2-year college or technical school, and 2 years experience and or training, or equivalent of combination of education and experience in firefighting and related fields. And you can pick up application from the Human Resources Office at the Pohnpei Port Authority, the Kadkadaur, Pohnpei. Completed applications and other required documents should be returned to the same office no later than the closing date of this announcement, which is July 19, 2024. Thank you very much. Pohnpei State Government Examination Announcement. It is the policy of Pohnpei State Government that employment consideration be based on qualifications, regardless of sex, age, race, religion, political affiliation, or family ancestry, or place of origin. Position and salary: News Director, pay level 11 step 1 up to pay level 11 step 4, which is $423.31 up to $505.53 plus COLA. And this is the minimum salary rate at step 1 of the pay grade. Higher steps not to exceed step 4, which may be organized in cases of hard to fill position where it is appropriate to the qualification of the appointee. Location is at Pohnpei Public Broadcasting Corporation, Pohnpei State Government, or V6AH Radio Station. Example of duties: these are illustratives. Collect, verify, and analyze thoroughly newsworthy information, sample findings on two stable story. Write and deliver stories with the reader's perspective in mind. Publish or broadcast news stories. Receive assignments or investigate news leads and tips. Abide by journalism's ethics and codes. Contact, interview, and research sources. Maintain notes and audio recordings. Cooperate with Pohnpei Public Broadcasting Corporation management team, and stay up to date with latest current events in the P by staying or studying papers, attending events, and so forth. And you have to work independently and as part of a team. Minimum education, work experience: at least graduated from college with strong communication skills. This includes writing clear and concise stories, as well as interviewing people and getting them to share information. Research and investigative skills needs to be able to find information, verify its accuracy, and dig deeper to uncover the truth behind a story, and ability to meet deadlines. For news moves fast, and reporters often have to write stories in tight deadlines. Attention to details. It's important for reporters to be accurate in their reportings, so they need to pay close attention to details. And you must have at least 4 years of experience. Application forms can be picked up and returned to the Office of Personnel, Labor and Manpower Development, Department of Treasury and Administration, Pohnpei State Government, Colonia Pohnpei, FSM 96941. Pension Pahrek, employment opportunity, announcement from the FSM Development Bank. The FSM Development Bank is seeking a suitable candidate to fill the position of Executive Assistant at FSM Development Bank Corporate Office in Colonia Pohnpei. Closing date is July 24, 2024. Salary is at 16,000 per annum. Duties, responsibilities, these are just illustratives. Provide secretarial and administrative support functions to the President, CEO, such as the following. Number 1, maintains the President and CEO's calendar, provide information regarding the bank services, receive incoming correspondence and reports, and draft replies to general inquiries. Proofread outgoing correspondence and reports, make travel arrangements, prepare documents and take minutes for Board of Directors and shareholders meetings, assist in the preparation and distribution of policy and manual revisions, manage the office needs and perform other duties and projects as assigned. Qualifications: associate degrees or equivalent from a two-year college or technical school, plus 1 to 3 years of administrative work or related experience and or training, and gotta be proficient with Microsoft Office. For more info, visit www.fsmtp.fm, or you can call telephone number 3202-840 or 320-5300, or email info@fsmtp.fm. Thank you very, very much. Bago ay ingat pagkakan magkakukunan sa silang kukurgan ng suksit, miniklir pa si Coach Pililar Kloktuang Dargang Katin sa Pali, Coach Wayne, sa Kulimatral Program and Community. Bago iraseller Pilang Portman, Pulip-Pulip-Koy, sa Kulimatral, sa Tangay, sa Kulimatral, mas Puy-Puy.
buena ramas, mese ni bui. Kau ni juga ibu mese na ramas mengata. So